Okay, so we have our year over year and month over month values here that we want to turn into KPI cards. But the problem is that the conditional formatting that we use to apply the color here doesn't carry over to a text box. But what we can do is add a linked picture of this cell to make it work. Now, I know that sounds weird, but this is how it works. So we'll select the cell, and we're going to copy the cell, and instead of just pasting it normally, here in the paste menu, I'm going to click on the drop down arrow, and in the other paste options, you'll see that we have this linked picture option. So I'm going to click on that, and what this creates is a picture that is dynamically tied to this cell. So if I change my selection, you'll see that this will update, and more importantly, if we make this negative, then you'll see that the conditional formatting will be carried over as well, which is exactly what we wanted. Now I am going to undo to get my formula back, and we're all set. Now you may have noticed that it's so dynamically tied to this cell that we even have these cell borders here, and we have the transparent fill. But to fix that, we can simply fill these with white, and that's sorted. We can make them bold as well, and you'll notice that it will make this number bold. And now let's just create the linked picture for our month over month value. So copy that, paste it as a linked picture, and we're all set.